guys, welcome to my new video about Wix Studio, and today I'm going to show you how to use the CMS in Wix Studio to easily save, organize, and manage your content and recreate this type of animation. So here's what you have to do. Open Wix Studio, click CMS on the left side of the editor. Add to site. Choose your collection and click on the Create Collection button. Here you need to choose how you want to start creating it. Let's start from scratch. Enter the name and click Create. Now we need to add fields for our item. Click Add Field. Choose the type of the field you want to add. Here you will find a lot of options. OK, click Choose Field Type and name it. In our case, it will be Description. Click Save and let's move on to the next one. Click Add Field and choose the next field type. Enter background and save it. Repeat the same steps with the remaining fields. When our fields are done, we need to fill them in. Enter the name of the first item in the title field. Then enter the description, add the background image, the character image, and the smoke. Our first item is done and we can move on to the next one. Enter the name, description, and the corresponding images. Repeat the same steps with the remaining items. Honestly, once you learn how to work with CMS collections, you will understand how convenient it is and how much time it can save you. OK, close the CMS window. Go to Add Elements and choose a repeater. Click Add Item, scroll down and adjust the settings. Change the number of items to 4, remove the gaps, and now we need to connect our repeater with the CMS collection. Click Choose a dataset and choose our collection. Stretch our repeater. And now we can connect all our fields with the elements we will add. Let's check how it works. Go to Add Elements, choose an image, move it to our item, stretch it, and connect it with the background image. Let's connect the next elements with the corresponding fields. Adjust the text. And connect it. Repeat the same steps with the description. Okay, great. Now we need to add a container. Stretch it. And change the background color. Go to Add Elements, choose a line, and move it to the container. Change the color, align it right, and stretch it. Okay, let's add a title to our container. Rotate it, adjust the text. And now connect it with the title. Great! Our items are done, and we can move on to adding animations. Click on Layers, choose the item, go to Animations and Effects, click Hover, Add, and change the animated element to the container. Choose the fade animation and adjust it. Change in to out so that when you hover over an item, the container disappears. Now let's hide our container for convenience. And add the next animation, change the animated element to the character image, choose the shrink animation and adjust it. And let's add an animation for our text block. Change the animated element to the stack. Choose the move animation and adjust it. Let's make the container unhidden again. And that's it. Now you can easily update your content or add pages right from your CMS collections. If you like this video and don't want to miss new tutorials, don't forget to like and subscribe. As usual, I'm leaving all the resources in the description below, so go to Wix Studio and try to make it yourself.